Hello friend, today I am going to give you some good tips. It will help you in your life become happy. Everyone want to be happier in his life, but they don't know how to become happy. Happiness is a great goal to have and it's something you will need to work toward every day. Let's start without further delay. Okay? First of all, you press like buttons and subscribe to my channels, and you don't forget to press nearest bell icon. Okay, first is express yourself like a successful man. Okay, this is the first tip. It's very important things. If you do this for the long period of times, you will be happy. Many people they think themselves as a loser, failure, unsuccessful man, and finally this all goes to their subconscious mind, and it lead to depressions, anxiety, hypertension. So be positive, avoid all negative thought, and express yourself as a successful man. Second is try to keep positive thought. Negative thought can make it hard to feel happy, but you can change them. When you notice negative thought, replace it by positive thought. Like I can do this, I am enough, I will be a successful man. Okay. So third tips is compliment yourself at least once a day. Focus on what you are doing well by giving yourself regular compliments. For example, my looks is beautiful, I am a good boy, today I have finished my work very well. Okay, like this. Fourth is stop comparing yourself to other people. Okay, everyone is on their own field. It's a unfair to compare or measure by other. Don't worry what others people doing. If you think what others people doing, your work will be stable. You never do ahead. Fifth is you look for something positives when you are facing an obstacle. Everybody facing some obstacles, but very few people can solve it. For example, you have lost your job. This is a really difficult experience, but you should not be worry more about it. If you once is gone, another will definitely come because you have an experience on it. Sixth is use your intellectual to help you focus on the present. You don't more stress about futures, don't go to the past because you are in the present. So you stay focused on present, try to avoid unnecessary overthinkings by avoiding past and future. You can do it by meditation. During meditations, focus your breath, focus your present. Okay. Seventh is do at least one activity you enjoy every day. Having fun every day help you enjoy your life more. Make a list of activities that make you feel happy. Just you can select from your hobby. Thank you friends for watching this video, and you please comment on the below comment sections. Okay.